The RAIN technique. Begin by recognizing when a strong emotion is present, such as I'm feeling angry. Then accept the presence of the emotion. In this case, accept that you are experiencing anger, and try to do so in an open and non-judgmental way. Then investigate the thoughts, feelings, and sensations that are present. What thoughts go through your mind? Do you think that you are being treated unfairly? Is someone specifically aiming something harmful toward you? What feelings are you aware of? Anger, guilt, shame, embarrassment? Where in your body do you feel the anger? Is there a constriction in the chest or abdomen? Is the breath more rapid? Are the muscles tense? Should you act on your angry feelings, or is there another response you could make? And the final step is non-identification with the emotion. Shift into the observing self mode. Ah, there's me feeling angry. Putting distance between yourself and the angry feelings. See the anger as a mental event separate from you. You are not your angry feelings. Just as thoughts come into awareness, so do feelings. They are like clouds drifting across the sky. Some may be light, while others are dark and foreboding. But they all pass through your consciousness, which remains a constant. Rather than looking at your thoughts and feelings from within, stand outside of them and view them dispassionately, without judgment or criticism.